Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Museum of Geology. Today I am starting from mineral number 98, which is pyrite. So the habit of pyrite is massive, hardness is 6, and there are the specific gravity is 5, luster is metallic and color will be brass yellow, streak is brown or black, and there are poor cleavage and fracture is conchoidal. The occurrences of the pyrites are most widespread in sulfide mineral, accessory mineral in igneous rock, in ore veins by contact metamorphism. Number 99 is pyrolusite. So the habit of the pyrolusite is massive fibrous and the hardness is 2, or we can say the specific gravity is about 4. So the hardness of pyrolusite is ranging from 2 to 6 and the specific gravity is 4. Luster is metallic, color will be iron gray, and the streak is black, blue, or we can say the bluish black. There are the fractures uneven or brittle. Occurrences of the pyrolusite are associated with other manganese or we can say in manganese and iron oxides found in bog and lake deposits. Number 100 is pyromorphite. So pyromorphite can be defined as that the habit of the pyromorphite is prismatic, and we can say also massive, globular, and often aggregated. There are the hardness is 3 or 4, specific gravity is 7, luster is resinous, color is green, yellow and brown, and the streak will be white, yellow, or we can say yellow white. And there are no cleavage and the fracture is uneven or brittle, and the occurrences of pyromorphite are oxide zones of lead deposits, or we can say oxidized zones of lead deposits. Number 101 is pyrrhotite. So the habit of pyrrhotite is commonly massive or granular. The hardness is 4 and there are the specific gravity is about 4 to 6, or we can say 4.6. Luster is metallic and there are the color is copper, bronze or brownish reddish. The streak is dark or grey black. There are no cleavage in fracture will be uneven or brittle. The occurrences of the pyrrhotite are basic igneous rocks, pegmatites, contact metamorphic deposits. So viewers, it is all about today's lecture, and let's wait for my next video for more information about the physical and important distinguishable characters of minerals. Thank you.